Every home starts with an idea, but this one began with intention, precision, and a vision brought to life from the ground up. Before the first shovel hit the soil, there were plans, permits, and countless decisions. The foundation was laid, solid, unwavering, a base built not just to hold a structure, but to support a future. From there, the frame rose, lines turning into walls, walls turning into rooms, and a vision beginning to take form. And then, moments you can't plan for, a reminder that even in construction, there's beauty in the process. Piece by piece, detail by detail, this home evolved into something both functional and refined. Inside, craftsmanship takes center stage. 5 bedrooms designed for comfort and bathrooms that feel like private retreats. Open living spaces, natural light, and a layout that simply makes sense. From blueprint to reality, this isn't just a house. It's the result of vision, patience, and purpose. Thank you guys for tuning in to hear about this new construction home we just built with the Goldie View Renovation team. If you are looking to get a new construction home built, you know who to call. We've got you covered.